Welcome back, guys. So today we'll be unboxing a Powerplay wireless charging system, and the box is really big, so I'm gonna have to pan around so you can see the whole thing. But this is the front of the box, and as you can see, it shows you how it will look. This little block is supposed to connect to your computer so that you can charge your mouse, and right on the side it says that it's compatible with the G903 and the G703. So I actually have the G903 already set up. I did an unboxing on it recently, but this is what it looks like. It looks really nice, you know, wireless. I haven't charged it at all since I got it. The battery lasts a long time, and if you turn off your computer and leave this thing on, it goes to sleep by itself. So it saves power. But let's look at the back really quickly. Okay, so it shows you that the bottom part is actually the thing that charges the mouse. So let's see. So it has a mat. You can put like a mat on top of it so that it feels a lot nicer when you're moving around your mouse. And yeah, while you're using it, it actually charges the mouse. Yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. It's there's a lot of information here. I'm just panning around so you can get an idea of what it is, because this box is really big. So let me go ahead and open it up. There's two seals on the side. Okay. So let me lay down. Okay, it's kind of hard to set it up because this box is too big for any angle. So as soon as you open it up, on the lid itself it says keep playing, but it's just a cardboard box. There's nothing special about it, so I'm gonna throw it back there for now. And this is some sort of hard mat. It's like really hard. Let me just open it up so you can see exactly what we're looking at. So this is the bottom of it, and oops, and this is the top. So let me just try it. It feels really nice actually. It just glides. Yeah, but it's really hard. It's probably not gonna be very nice to use because this is kind of sharp. So let me go ahead and look at the other one. Oops. Okay, so this is like a little softer. It's still really hard, but it's softer at least. So it also glides. It glides a lot better actually. So let me put this aside as well. I'm probably gonna use this because it's a lot nicer. But this is the actual charging part of the whole thing. This is why we're here. So I think you just plug in the USB charging, this charging cable on here, and then you plug it into your computer. So underneath we have some sort of plastic. It's not really necessary. Ooh, it's really sticky. Okay, so anyway, this is the actual mat that will charge your mouse, and it's actually a lot bigger than I thought. This is my current one, just for comparisons. So as you can see, it's very old. It's like, I don't know, maybe like a couple years old. But if I just put it in one corner, you can see the size difference. I mean, the difference is really massive, and it makes this thing look dirty. It's not dirty, I washed it several times, but if you just go like that, it makes it look dirty. So yeah, this is gonna go away for sure. So this is what it looks like. And of course we have the charging cable. It's the same charging cable that you get for this mouse, so it's not something different. I already have one, so I'll keep it as a spare. Let me put it aside though. So this is some sort of manual. It's a simplified manual on how to set it up. And then in here we have some sort of manual, maybe, I don't know, or warranty information, looks like. Yeah, so like a warranty book. So not really special, I'll just leave it in here. And here we have the actual piece that makes your mouse wireless. So let me just do that while I'm here. So this little piece is actually the piece that gives it weight. So I think you just place it in the same location, just like that. But the downside of this is that you lose this weight. So I mean, it doesn't feel as nice. I think they made a really big mistake not adding some weight to this piece while they were doing this, because it's not very heavy. So that's gonna kind of distract me a bit, but it's still nice. So we have to trade off one thing for another. So we're trading weight for wireless charging. So let me go ahead and set it up. I'm gonna plug in everything and connect everything like the instructions say right here, and I'll be right back. Welcome back, guys. So I have everything plugged in. Here's the G903, here's the charging pad, the Powerplay pad, you know. So I plugged it in and everything is synced together. You can see the colors switching at the same pace. But I was testing it just to see if everything worked, and apparently no matter where you have it on this mat, it still charges the mouse. So I mean that there's some issues when you put it like over here. So try not to put it over here, but as long as you have it like around here or down here, it seems to work. But there's some issues when you put it right in this corner. So I don't think they should have shipped it like this with this issue, because a lot of people are having the same issue. But if you put it right at the corner, it doesn't charge at all. So as long as it's over here, you're fine. But still, let me just go ahead and show you to have an idea of how it works. So I have the software opened right here. So let me try to zoom in a little. Okay, so as you can see, it says 45% charge, and as soon as I remove the mouse from the pad, it changes the status. So I have it right here. So you can see it says approximately 11 hours. So I have this mouse right here, and when I place it back on the mat, 45% charge. So it works very well and it's very responsive. So as long as you don't put it, you know, in this side, then it doesn't charge. Let me just show you. I have it right there, and it still says approximately 11 hours. Approximately 11 hours remaining. So it's still right there. It's sitting right there, but it's still saying 11 hours. So as soon as you move it just very slightly, it says 45% charge. So just very slightly, and if you just move it a little bit, it stops charging right there. So there is an issue with that, but I mean, it won't really bother me personally, because I usually leave my mice right dead centered. So for me, it's not an issue. But if it will be an issue for you, then there's other mats by other companies. I think that Corsair is making their own that you might look at, but I don't know if it has the same issue or not. But you know, thank you guys very much for watching. Remember to like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.